In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to cross-play Rainbow Six Siege between PS5 and PC and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if we can cross-play between PC and consoles, we can go to the Ubisoft Help website and look for Rainbow Six Crossplay. When you search for this, you will be able to browse through the articles that they have, and the first one has the answers that we're looking for. Crossplay and cross-progression in Rainbow Six Siege. As you can see, what they have to say is that it is not possible to matchmake between PC and console platforms. What this means is that, as of today, if you are playing on PC and you have a friend on console like PS5, both of you will not be able to play together. Regardless which option you pick, there is no workaround to this. Only PlayStation and Xbox players can cross-play between each other. For PC players, they only have two options to play with people on Steam and Ubisoft Store or Ubisoft Connect, but they will not be able to play between PC and console. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of how limited crossplay is in Rainbow Six Siege. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.